Hello people of the internet, how are you? I know I haven't been posting for the last 2 days because one of my friend came over to Calcutta and it was my moral duty to meet him because I haven't met him in so many years. I have missed him and now we're back. So for today I'm gonna show you a easy bronze tutorial, okay? I'm gonna make it very easy for beginners, and because I know that when I was starting off with makeup, this is the main thing that I faced a problem at, on how to bronze and contour your face. So we won't be contouring today, we'll take it step by step. We'll just be bronzing, putting on some blush and some highlighter. Make it very simple, very easy going. Okay, without further ado, let's start. I'm done with my base because I don't think you people were interested in that. So I'm done with that. If you want a specific video on the base, let me know. Okay, the brush that I'm gonna use is Wet n Wild P60. I'm gonna link it down below, don't worry. So for a bronzer, you wanna use, wait a minute, I'm gonna zoom you guys in to look at the brush. So for bronzer, you wanna use a brush like this. Okay, sorry, it's dirty. So yeah, so for bronzer you want to use a brush like this, which is fluffy and which has a dome on it. Do you get it? So what it does is it disperses the product and doesn't make it look very harsh. So the more compact the brush, the more product it's going to disperse on your face. So with a brush like this, this was from Wet n Wild. So this was originally what, 799, 800, 900, I don't know, but I got it for 30% off, so it was like 300 or 400 bucks. I was just like, steal. Okay, so this brush, okay, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So what I do is, I'm just gonna check whether I'm recording. Yes. So I'm gonna load up my brush, not too much, just this much. Tap. You don't need to tap actually, okay, now you first pat the product. So what it does is, you will know how the bronzer is acting just on the basis of this. If it's patchy or something, so you don't just swipe it on, okay? First pat. Don't forget your hairline because it's very important. So because of the slant, what it does is, it just places the product beautifully. And again, bronze in threes. I'm gonna show you. Okay. So after you've done this bit, now you swipe upwards. Never swipe down, guys. One more tip. Never swipe down. It makes your face look saggy. We don't want that here. We ain't paying for a saggy face. Saggy face does not pay rent here. Okay? Now, I think it's bronzed up. I'm happy with it. I'm going to take a little bit more product, tap off, and here. So I don't need to bronze the entire forehead because I have a small forehead. So I just do it where the sun normally hits, okay? And I connect it, I just graze it. So do you see where I'm holding this brush? Sorry, where I'm holding this brush. So I just lightly, with the least amount of pressure, just connect it, okay? And for the chin, you do this. So what this brush does is, because it is fluffy and it's tapered, so it disperses the product properly. It doesn't create a harsh line. Okay. Yep. If you want to touch up, I mean, like blend out, blend. Okay. Use very little pressure, guys. I mean, that's the key. I'm gonna also use it on my eyes, okay? So yeah, so you see, it just created this warmth in your face. So a lot of Indians, I don't know why, they're like, oh, I won't use a bronzer, it'll make me look dark. Firstly, we need to get over this entire concept of making you look dark, and dark is bad, okay? We live for a tan, okay? So, I mean, and bronzer just adds that extra bit of warmth to your face, and who doesn't want that? Okay, I'm gonna finish this part. I don't want to show you the entire phase of me doing it, or else it'll be super long. So I'll just finish this and we'll be back for some blush and some highlight, okay, and some eyeshadow maybe. We'll be back. Okay guys, now I think we look a little bronzed. Now what I'm gonna do is, now I'm going to show you where to put the blush and how to do it. We all know how to put blushes, but I mean, while we are here, why not? Okay, it's a easy look. It takes about 5 minutes. Now, see, it all comes with practice. If I don't talk, like usually there's not a camera filming me while I get ready, so it takes me 5 minutes. Now it will obviously take me a little more time because I'm talking to you guys. So blush. So either if I want to put a lot of blush, I skip the bronzer. If I do put both ikatthe, then I smile, and see, you just have to put it on the apples of your cheeks and blend it in. Okay, ready, smile. Fake laughter guys, fake laughter. I'm also gonna put the blush niche in the description. It's a Ofra blush, it's my favorite. And wait, I drag it to my nose also. I'm just seeing the viewfinder guys. I'm not contouring my nose because that I'll do in the next video where I show you how to contour. And now I'm gonna take some eyeshadow and finish this look. This is my NYX, this is a bronzer, and I'm running dangerously low. I'm running dangerously low. I'm living life on the edge over here. I need to get another one. This is so nice as an eyeshadow. I have friends who's messaging me. Okay, quick eyeshadow with a bronzer. Place the product first stamp the product on, okay, on your crease. See where it lies, and then if you have a clean brush like this, okay, with a clean brush, just see, it's that easy. Like, yeah, one color, you're done. Like, you can even layer on the same color and it will give you depth, so it will make it look like you have two colors. Okay, I'll finish this eye and I'll come back. Now this is something that I like to do. Take a pencil brush, take the bronzer that you're using and put it under your eyes. I like to do it because it hides my creases. Like, if you have creases, just put some eyeshadow underneath your waterline. Trust me, it works. I have very horrible dark circles and I have even worse creases because when I was young, I didn't take care of my eyes. I used to rub them like a maniac. Okay, now we're done with this. I need to put on some lipstick and some highlight. Highlight time! You can use any highlight. I'm gonna use this massive one. Wait a minute. Let me put on. Sorry, this massive one by MAC. This, you can't get it anymore. It's called Baby It's Gold Outside. It's the MAC Patrick Star 2018 Christmas collection. I'm gonna get a brush. This is the pack 094. Okay, and we are gonna highlight our faces. Okay, pattern, like, use for olive skin, for Indian skin, I feel golden highlights work the best. Though there's this one iridescent one that I like, but I only use it if I'm using a cooler toned blush. Okay, just work. Wow. Work with your blush. That's what I'm saying. Okay, highlight time. See, I don't really like this highlight. I don't know why. I don't like powder highlights. But I'm gonna use it up because I paid a lot of money for this. Okay. I like to drag the highlight down here. It looks crazy, but after you do the setting spray and everything, it looks really nice. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna come back with a finished look. Hold on. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I went ahead and put on some mascara, lips and a little bit of eyeliner. I don't usually use eyeliner, but I'm in the process of testing one and the review is gonna come really soon. So I hope you like this very easy, bronzy, glowy tutorial. I hope you learned something because it was a lot of fun telling you how to put on a bronzer, because I know it was so difficult for me as a beginner to know all of these things. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, put on that bell notification, and I'm declaring it right now, the day we hit 1,000 subscriber there'll be a massive giveaway. So yeah, I guess subscribe for the giveaway, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Thank you again. Bye.